They crossed out her name, but they couldn't erase her. This time, the video won't be cut.
What's happening to my name? My name was here.
The list changed.
She did not win the trial.
Everything happens for a reason.
I won every heat.
Maya, do not make this ugly. You made it ugly.
I did not ask for this. That is mine!
It was in the house. Lila needed something for the team photo. It was not yours to give.
Maya, you will still help the team.
Help!
Equipment. Towels. Boards.
You want me to carry boards for the team I earned?
You were never the face we wanted.
This island needs someone people can believe in. The island has seen me surf. Today we're gonna film a new episode for our vlog. Look at what you've done. She shouldn't have to see this. You need to come out and face the consequences. To Lila, our island star.
Thanks, Mom.
She is not the island star. Maya. She fell twice in the trial. I slipped. You quit before the last wave.
I was tired.
Lila knows how to represent the island. You mean she looks good on video? You always say that. Enough. No, not enough. Dad built that place for kids who loved the water, not for fake videos. Your father is not here.
Dad built that place for kids who loved the water, not for fake videos.
Your father is not here. I kept this family together. I kept the surf club alive. I made sure people still cared. You made them care about Lila. Because Lila knows how to smile.
What if Maya tells everyone?
People believe what they see.
What if they see the wrong thing?
Then we show them something prettier.
I am still here. Even if they do not see me. I am ready.
You forgot to wax the left side.
I did not. It feels wrong.
You should be training. I am busy.
You are better than everyone here.
No one asked you.
You know she is.
You are just jealous because Maya lost.
Here.
Again? Focus, Maya. Do not waste the wave.
She is our brave girl. Last year, she survived that terrible wave accident.
It is too big.
It is fine.
Smile first.
Stand near the water.
Why?
Just stand there.
You are on the team.
She is scared. I know. Maya!
Hold on! I cannot! They cut you out.
Yes,
We have to show everyone.
not yet.
Maya,
If we show it now, Vanessa will say I am bitter.
you saved her.
That did not matter before.
It matters now.
They are not afraid of the truth.
What are they afraid of?
The truth arriving when every camera is already watching.
I will keep it safe.
You are still going back out there.
They still expect clean towels. Tell them about courage. The ocean scared me, but I came back. Beautiful. You look mad.
They crossed out my name. But they did not erase me.
Is she on the team?
Whew. She helps us.
Does she surf?
A little. I hate this. Save it.
That is my brave girl.
Please help me clean this up.
Stay on the shoulder. Do not chase the peak.
I do not want the big ones.
You are the face of this island. Make them cheer.
Hold the board! I cannot!
Look at me. When I say down, go down.
I am sorry! Not now. Is Maya. She is saving her.
It is too sweet.
Good. Good.
Everyone knows.
Good. This should stay inside the family. Now I am family. You are making everything worse. No. The cameras made it true. I knew they cut the video. Mom said people needed a hero. Enough. Maya Ward, yes. My team has an open spot. We need someone who can read the water.
I want to surf.
Then come surf.
This is yours. I should have given it back. I do not know who I am without everyone clapping.
Then find out.
I am sorry, Maya.
You left me first!
Your father would want you to stay. My father taught me to ride honest.
Welcome, champion. Maya. Maya, how did you become this strong?
I kept getting back on the board.
Even when people doubted you.
They crossed out my name once, so I wrote it on the waves.
What would you say to kids who feel invisible?
Do not let them decide your place. The ocean is big enough.